It's a rock. It's a topping.
Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm not going to say where we are. There's a lot of stuff going on Facebook and stuff that I want to keep everything house. So if you recognise any of these here trails, don't be making any comments or even asking where I am, because I'll not be saying. So today we're in Ireland. We've got the Hawk out, Matt. We've got Rocket Neil Rob out, and we've got wee Hooper. So wee Hooper wasn't looking too well on the way up in the van, so we'll see how he gets on. And if he's not looking good, I'll just stick him back in the van, open the window or something, or just let him cook for the barbecue. And anyway, we're just about to head on this first wee trail here, and apparently there's been some work done to it, so give it a good look here and see how we get on, folks. About to drop in there. Folks, last time I done this wee trail, I sort of called it paddly, and a few people took offence till I was a wee gapper. But I wasn't trying to disrespect the trail builder, and I never said I didn't enjoy the trail. I just said it was a bit paddly, which when I'm out I'm just trying to give an honest opinion. But nice wee trail, wee jumps and stuff on it, and I think the trail builder's doing a cracking job up here. You ready? Folks, left our shoes in the house again. I'll eat his kid today again. You ready? Wee barn here. Come on, Hooper. Nice and dark. Whoa! Up the tree, we've got a downhill. Come on, Hooper. Wee jumper. Whoa, slap. Wee rock garden, boys. Wee roller there. Oh, I'm off. Wee drop there. I lost the back wheeler. Go ahead. Wee drop, mate. Go on, go on. Ah! That was even worse than jumping it. I just skidded there, folks, just before I came to it. Brilliant. Whoa, whoa, I was going to here. Bring your bacon skills for that wee one. I didn't do it. I never got it that time and you done it. Huh? Yep. Feet's off the paddles and everything there. I think I may be locked out here. Woo! What the fuck happened there? Oh, I was locked out. Locked out the whole time. Sick. Oh! Yeah. Come on, Hooper. Come on. Up. Come on, Hoop, down here. Come on, Hooper. Very dark. Jesus. Oh, what am I doing? Oh shit! Oh my god! Not that door. That's an absolute disgrace. Somewhere's beautiful. I was up here. Alright then.
I stayed about half a mile and I have to keep it on and drive down again. Before that we'll follow these down. Well, follow what? Right, over.
Right folks, we've met up at Ross there. Some just dropped in front there. Don't think I'll be staying there long enough to get plenty of coverage of them, like. Whoa. Ah, Hooper! I had to pull the brakes on. Watch the dog, Hooper, Hooper.
Aye.
Go back up, mate, and hit it. Come here, Hooper. Come here. The hawk. The wee gap. Yo-ho! Come here, Hoop, Hoop. That's just run chins for me. Come on, Hooper. Whoa. What's that gap for? Ah, I gotta hit that. Wee bit of momentum, mate, just. Come on, Hooper. Big rocker right in the middle of the trail. Hooper, here. Grab a dog. Hooper. Big's far better. Seagulls out. There's something out of your kidneys, son. It's just dark, boy. Whoa! You hear that? Paddle striker. Whoa! Near fucked that up too. Paddle. There's a rocket. Whoa, what was that? Oh, I've got my heel on the paddle. Shit. Alright? Right folks, these guys we've met up here, that's Historic Trail Builders. They have a wee YouTube channel there, you might want to get on and give them a wee subscriber, doing class work in around County Antrim and stuff, so if you haven't already seen them, that is. Getting tired now folks, done about 7-8 runs here. My legs are starting to feel it. Here, left. Up to 3. I'm getting tired, boy. Whoo. That's it. Folks, this is your half of Historic Trail Builders. 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 1 and 2, whatever. Go. Try. Oh, Hooper. Clip the dogger. This must be a snood bit then. Clip the dog. Come on. On you go. Go. Go ahead, boys.
Go for it, sir.
Go on, Hooper. Go on. Woohoo! What the hawk? Good stuff, sir.
Plenty grip in that loam.
Loam, you love the loam. Shalom. Alright folks, so that's us just making our way back to the van. That's the day over for me. Need to get the compressor on the tire. I've got it flat, well, soft. So that's it for me. That's it from the Hawk. And that's it from the Rocket Man Rob. See you next time out folks. Thanks for joining us.